Gusto mo palit tayo? Anong gusto palit? Ano? Anong sabi mo? Arnold, gusto mo palit tayo? Palit tayo what? Arnold Kahuban? Magiging 8 ka, ika-8 ka. Ano ba yan, Arnold, ha? Ano sinasabi mo dyan, ha? Stop that, ha? You're making something not good. Anong 8? Anong 8 na sinasabi mo? What's that? How old are you? Are you still a kid? You're making to me, ha? Respect. I'm just your lola. What are you doing there? Gusto mo maging 8 ka? You made me laugh. How old are you? Are you a kid? Lots of kids here also joking. Stop doing that, huh? You respect the olds, okay? Don't do that to me. Do you have a grandmother and your mother? If you have a grandmother, try to respect the olds. No, na daghan ani dong binastusan ko sa ingon ako. Inon ko, please put your feet in your table. Your other feet put in your. Why should I put my feet in the table? Yes, you have to do that. Sorry, because I'm your Lola, your grandmother, and then you're doing that to me. No, it's not good, huh? Please respect the olds. If you want, you can do that to those teenagers of the same age of yours, not to us the olds. I try to remember that your Lola is your Lola, huh? I'm just like your Lola, your grandma. Okay? Okay, it's okay. As long as you say sorry. But please, always remember, respect the olds that you will meet here on YouTube. Okay? Thank you so much for you have said sorry to the old.